Every single day, thousands of Nigerians are searching for real ways to earn money online. We've all seen the flashy gurus promising millions, but the reality is, most of it is just smoke and mirrors. Today, we're talking about a platform that's been around for a while, Remotasks. Let's dive in. What exactly is Remotasks? Alright, let's start with the basics. Remotasks is a platform that connects a global workforce with tasks that help train artificial intelligence. These technologies need massive amounts of data to learn. That's where you come in. Companies hire Remotasks to get this data labeled and categorized. Your job is to perform these small, simple tasks. It's a huge industry, and it's a real industry. The work is legitimate, but the real question is it a viable way for you to make money? The sign-up process and the first hurdle. Let's walk through the very first step. Signing up is straightforward. You'll need a valid email address and a strong password. Here's the first major hurdle you need to be aware of: the training and qualification exams. You can't access paid tasks without passing these tests. Many people quit here because the exams can be difficult and require a lot of focus. But if you're serious, you'll dedicate the time. I'll share my top tips for passing these exams later in the video. 5 main types of tasks and what they pay. 1. Image annotation to D and 3D. This is the most common. You'll be drawing boxes around objects in images or videos: cars, pedestrians, trees. The 3D tasks involve working with point clouds from LiDAR sensors, which can be more complex, but often pay better. 2. Audio transcription. You'll listen to short audio clips and type out what you hear. It sounds easy, but you have to be very accurate with punctuation and speaker identification. 3. Data categorization and tagging. This involves looking at a piece of data, like a search result or an article, and categorizing it based on specific rules. 4. Chatbot evaluation. This is one of the newer, and often more interesting, tasks. You'll be given a question and an AI's response, and you'll have to rate the quality of the response. 5. Side-by-side comparison. You'll be given 2 different outputs from an AI and have to choose which one is better based on a set of criteria. Your earning potential is directly tied to the types of tasks you qualify for. My tips for maximizing your earnings are simple but crucial. 1. Prioritize high-paying tasks. Don't waste time on the lowest-paying projects. Once you have a few qualifications, focus your energy on the ones with the highest payout. 2. Master the instructions. Accuracy is everything. When a project is available, read the instructions multiple times. A rejected task earns you nothing and can even get you demoted. 3. Work strategically. The platform works best when you are consistent. Set aside a few hours a day to work. The more time you put in, the more you earn. Payments in Nigeria. The Coinbase conundrum. Remotasks primarily uses Coinbase for payments. You get paid in US dollars, which is then held as cryptocurrency in your Coinbase wallet. You'll have to sell your crypto on a reputable exchange like Binance or use a peer-to-peer P2P platform to convert your dollars to Naira and transfer them to your local bank account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And if you want more honest reviews on making money online, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.